In this particular video, we'll see how to find the minimum number in a list. Okay, so now let's try to create one list. Let's take an example. List of to find the minimum number. So we'll create the list. So we'll just put some random numbers: 26, 36, 45, 87, 99, 101, and we'll take some small number. I will just take it as 12. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. So now we have to find the minimum number in a list. So for that, minimum underscore number is equal to minimum of this particular name of the list. Now let's try to run this particular cell, and now let's try to see the minimum number in the list. Now let's try to run this particular cell. So now we can see the 12 is the minimum number in this particular list. So this is how you can find the minimum number in a list. In a shortcut way, you can just go like this: print of minimum of name of the list, and you can just run it directly, and so that you can get the minimum number in the list. Okay, so this is also one of the most important question, like whenever you are trying to attend interview with respect to the Python, they might ask some kind of basic questions. So whenever you are attending the interview with respect to the data science or Python, so try to learn these kind of basic things, because basics is the base of any programming language. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video, follow for me.